Hey there, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're introducing a new handheld thermal fiber stripper, part number TFS-100. Specifically designed to strip the jacket off single fiber and up to 12 stranded ribbon fiber cable, this compact thermal stripper is the perfect tool for on-the-go use. And here are some of its standout features. It rapidly heats to the maximum temperature in only 4 seconds, with 4 temperature settings to choose from that increase in increments of 20 degrees Celsius. It's compatible with most fiber holders, including Fujikura's field and factory style holders. It allows for more than 300 strips before needing to be recharged. And it also features a save mode that will shut the heater off in between uses. So no more lugging around heavy equipment or struggling to manually strip each fiber. This little powerhouse gets the job done quickly and efficiently every single time. Not only is it super compact with a rugged build, but it also is designed for total accuracy, ensuring clean and precise stripping without damaging the delicate fibers. If you want to step up your fiber optic game and make cable stripping a breeze, be sure to check out the new TFS-100 from Jonard Tools. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.